Hello, survivors! Tara, samahan niyo kami. On the way kami to Kaliraya for a quick family lunch. Road trip vibes lang, kwentuhan, tawanan. Simple day, pero sure ako, magiging core memory to. So today, it's all about slowing down and spending time with the people who matter most. My family. Hindi man siya bonggang lakad or big adventure, pero ito talaga yung pinaka-meaningful. Simple lang, kwentuhan, tawanan, kulitan, pero ang saya na. Habang magkakasama kami, napaisip ako. Ang bilis ng oras, no? We get so busy chasing dreams and handling responsibilities that we forget to pause and appreciate what we already have. Yet today, I choose to be present. Walang distractions, just pure moments with them. And I realized, happiness doesn't always come from big things. Minsan nasa simpleng sabay-sabay kayong kumakain, nagkukulitan, or kahit tahimik lang, pero magkakasama. These are the moments na hindi mo mabibili. Pero sila yung pinaka-special. So if you're watching this is your reminder. Take a break, spend time with your family, create memories habang nandyan pa sila. Let's choose gratitude, spread positivity, and appreciate the little things because they mean everything. See you on my next vibe. Ta-da!